How to get your Cash App card approved. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Cash App card approved. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting your Cash App card approved is also fairly simple. Let's say you applied for a Cash App card, but it keeps getting rejected over and over again. That is because Cash App requires quite a bit of information. Whenever you are applying for a Cash App card, you need to have your legal documents with you, such as your birth name, your legal documents, and everything such as your citizenship and something like that, so that Cash App can provide you a card. You also need to make sure that you can go ahead and enter your mailing addresses properly so that Cash App can deliver the card to your mailbox. Now, if you're talking about activating the Cash App card, then I've also already made a tutorial on that. You can simply check them out in our channel. Otherwise, if you're talking about getting a card approved, you just have to keep reapplying with the correct details. This way you should be able to get your Cash App card approved. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.